So, everybody, recently moved and I lost my chalk line. And it's a good thing I've got a wife and kids, because my wife, she knits and my kids play with chalk. So you could take, I don't know where it went, but I took a piece of chalk and I just crushed it up. I'm gonna put it in this bowl, and then I'm gonna put this in there, and I'm gonna shake it up, and then I'll have my own chalk line to mark center of this piece of walnut. So now that I've got the chalk all mixed up, everything like that, take the lid off, and then it's pink. So now I'll be able to mark center. In a different video, I marked center on the boards on both ends, and now what I'm gonna do is mark it all the way down. Hold that. All right, put yours down. Tight.